Okay, welcome back. So after we introduce the type of tools, then next we are going to move into the tools. So what are the tools that you're going to use for floor? What are the tools that you're going to use ceiling? And also what are the tools you're going to use in the wall, with door and windows? Every element is using different type of tools. Next. Okay, so these are the baseline tolerance for the QRC tools. So for evenness, maximum tolerance is 3 mm over 1.2 meter length for this typing. So here and here, maximum is 1. This is 1.2 feet and 1.2 meter, equivalent to 4 feet. So for 1.2 meter, the tolerance is 3 mm. So masuk, for example, this is a wall or floor, masuk sini, and we get tambah lagi daripada 3 mm. So we will discuss and we will show how to use this. And secondly, the difference height of difference between adjacent tiles must not exceed 1 mm. So between the two tiles, 4 tiles and 4 tiles, the jarak dengan tinggi rendah cannot more than 1 mm. So that I show how we're going to use this. In the figure, usually the all lines are straight and consistently proof with no gap or voids. This is mainly for the floor and wall tiles. If the gap is inconsistent. That's why we will be working using the crossbar to specific system. And also lastly, tolerance, we got 0 tolerance. So this is to mosaic cara 5 points lah, how many points untuk dapatkan untuk kecil untuk scoring panel. So for tolerance is 0 tolerance no matter on the plaster, floor tiles, or also the wall tiles. Everything is 0 tolerance. Okay, next. So these are the facts that where we will and check during the QRC inspection. So handstand, this is most common things that we will see or we will highlight or we will point out during the QRC assessment. Sebab kenapa? Sebab orang cek yang palingan is the last test kami. Sebab kemudian objek semua benda sudah siap, orang cek orang masuk. So orang cek masuk bila the partition is not covered well, then we will have these things. So few things lah. First thing is dia punya cat terlalu air, too watery, dia campur terlalu banyak air. Kenapa campur banyak air? Sebenarnya masalah kerja. Air banyak dia boleh cat lagi cepat. Tapi air banyak dia senang untuk ada standby masalah tu. And this is first thing. And secondly is due to the protection. Semasa you buat itu benda, anda kena cover well. For example, your offset, your pintu tempat stand, dia punya lantai kena stand. This is due to the protection. Nombor 3 itu sama lah, it's because of the local skill. Local skill. So bila you check dia kena speed yang ngam-ngam. Dia tahu lambat sangat, dia akan terus terbang. Cepat sangat, itu check semua akan fly out. Cepat sangat lah, dia macam tayar dia nak air, cepat dia air akan speed up semua tu. So the speed is very important. And also the distance. Kalau dia pakai spray ni, distance is very important. Dekat sangat, dia terus terbang objek. Jauh sangat, dia tak nampak color semua, dia akan nampak color efficiency. So issues depends on the skill, and also the watery quality of the tank, and also the position. So this will have the attending part. Hand part is most common that you see during the QRC special GT. So senang. So for QRC, for QS Park, it is very important that when we award the support or when during the tendering stage, we should highlight to the vendor, this is the project that going to have the QRC special. The price is different because they have to put more manpower for the protection so willingness. Lepas dia check walaupun macam mana dia protection dia still tinggal check kena lebih. So kena orang untuk bersih sebelum klasik assessment. So this is the first thing. And secondly is the rough or crashing surface. So why this will happen? Few things. First time buat dia punya campuran tak bagus. Semua tak bagus. Campuran ada cerita tentang when we talk about the cylinder, we talk about three things: cement, sand, and water. The mixture tak bagus, dia akan result for night. Cement tak cukup, dia strength tak cukup. Atau dia punya lantai too dry, dia senang untuk crack. Too watery tak boleh. Too watery sebab macam ni dia cement water lepas dia bisa tempung sudah masukkan, tapi too watery lama-lama tu cement tu OPC akan naik. Sebab OPC dia ringan lah, dia water lah sebab. So OPC akan naik pas ke bawah. So bila macam tu atas bila OPC dah tebal, dia tak shrink. OPC tak ada shrink ni. Dengan satu itu macam campuran, you by machine campur atau by head campur. Kalau by hand campur adakah macam tu bila dia orang campur by hand, dia masukkan tanah tu, dia masukkan pasir dulu, tuang pasir, lepas tu dia buat satu lubang, dia tuang OPC, campur air, campur macam tu makan. Tapi bila you pakai campur by hand, you gosok macam tu adakah you akan sampai bawah. You want to make sure to be considered everything to mix together. You kena make sure every set and pasir dia campur sekali. Tapi bila you campur, you want to make sure all mix together. You have to sampai bawah. Sampai bawah. Tapi bila sampai bawah, susah. Kenapa? Sebab tu lantai tak balance. Kena batu lagi susah nak campur. Susah. So orang ada budak di luar sana, dia akan ambil atas sikit, senang buat mat. Tapi kalau macam tu, di bawah dia pasir, dia tak kena dengan simen. So masa campuring, masa mixing air tak nampak banyak. Sebab kenapa? Dia sudah campur dengan air lah, semua. Dia colour sama bercolour. Misalnya, so lepas dia mixing, dia akan ambil ni pasir, simen set, dia pergi buat dengan lantai. So kalau dia pakai mesin mixer, dia akan kurang untuk beli benda sebab dia mix beli. Tapi by hand dia ada possibility untuk yang bottom level tu dia content of object kurang. So they will have a wholeness quite nice limited. So bila pakai bila benda berlaku, then we have to do the repairing. And this is very repairing hard and we will also charge and this come. Tapi new cement and old cement dia mesti colour tak sama. Sama dengan cat baru cat lama, walaupun dia sama, dia pun ada colour tu issue. Tapi kalau macam ni this is not because of the baru dengan lama. Dia pakai cement yang salah. Even though cement they still got any type of cement. Ordinary Portland cement fried ash cement GGS dia ada banyak campuran yang pakai. So kalau you pakai brand A atau method A atau code A dia cement, bila you pakai pakai sama. So bila you pakai masa kerja buat pakai brand A atau model A dia, lepas tu we use different mixture kat sini. And you can see you see this is because of the cement. When the cement, that of the cement cassava, then we have this issue, and this is one of patience. This because 我们是个 mereka rata sangat atau sometimes masalah itu rata tapi sebab air terlalu banyak too watery then sebab too watery air akan keluar betul bila air keluar air keluar itu sebenarnya akan jadi so the mixture and possible mixture is very important and this is possible color form of 4 tiles. So this is why it happen. So it's about 4 tiles. For this, you have to know the method of the 4 tiles fabrication. These 4 tiles always dia pakai bakar. Dia bakar punya 4 tiles ni ada. All the tiles they go the dia pakai bakar dia akan bakar dia. So walaupun kod yang sama, base yang sama, tapi masa dia bakar yang sama, dia kan ada satu prinsip. For example, distribution of the 4 tiles, sebab tiles ni yang cerita bola. Tapi no matter we talk about cylinder tiles lah, porcelain tiles lah, homemade tiles, all these cerita bola. So kita ni bola. Yeah, ada masalah untuk cara. No matter how well we control. So, cakap dengan itu bakaran. So sometimes tujuh yang sama you bakar seperti kita kan tanam dia akan ada chance untuk pakai pilotan cara yang sama. So for site is very important untuk differentiate batch, the tile batch. Or tile batch. So, macam ni sampel kita dapat ni benda. This is the tile scope. Tapi on saya, we are not only just see the tile scope, we will see the batch. This house is on site is which batch. Then you have to separate batch under. This is the batch 1, batch 2, this is batch 3. Even though yung tile code yang sama, tapi batch yang sama, they can do calculation. So what side you can do, the tiles with the same code, put one side, pakai the unit yang sama. We're repairing, we pakai batch yang sama. So this will happen when the side pakai batch yang salah. This unit is batch A, batch 1. And bila repairing, the whole corners, that's what we repair. When repair, we unbed house punya 3 ke 2 buat, then dia akan masalah untuk dulu. So all these things actually we can prevent. Apa yang highlight masa jurassic we run on the first time. So kalau everything you follow the procedure yang betul, you follow the thing yang sah, and betul everything is being with Next. Okay, so this is what we're doing, how we check. Yang tadi macam tu, all this using visualize, tengok pakai mata saja. Pen stand color tone paginess, all this you use I mean, tengok ada. We other few days you have to use like tools. This is how we talk about just now, the 1.2 meters. And what we do with this with this gathering, we also the framework we use for this. So untuk lantai tak payah pakai ini benda. So cara dia, ni benda letak dalam lantai, and we see the balance. We use this. Kalau dia lantai lah, lantai macam ni, and you come in and you will see how much is the gap. The tolerance is 3 mm. 3 mm or 1.2 meter. This is for the 4 tiles. 4 tiles and also for the and this is how